Welcome to this presentation on matrix projective combination, synchronization of time-delayed chaotic system, and its application in image encryption. This research was conducted by K. Murugesan et al. And published in 14th January 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Chaos theory, a subset of nonlinear theories, has found extensive applications across mathematics, physics, and economics. Its inherent unpredictability and sensitivity to initial conditions have revolutionized our understanding of chaotic systems. This paper proposes a novel approach for achieving matrix projective combination synchronization (MPCS) in non-identical chaotic systems, even when faced with model uncertainty, external disturbances, and time delays. The methodology involves developing a generalized model for chaotic systems that accounts for uncertainty, external disturbances, and time delays. The core of the approach is matrix projective combination synchronization (MPCS), where the synchronization error between drive and response systems is driven to zero using design controllers. The method is formulated for both time delayed and non time delayed chaotic systems. Numerical simulations demonstrate that the proposed matrix projective combination synchronization strategy effectively synchronizes the drive and response chaotic systems, both with and without time delays, in the presence of model uncertainty and external disturbances. The synchronization error converges to zero within a reasonable time frame, with the time delayed systems often synchronizing faster than non delayed ones under specific parameter settings. The study successfully establishes matrix projective combination synchronization for non identical chaotic systems under challenging conditions, uncertainty, external disturbances, time delay. The novel aspect of combining MPCS with an affine cipher, incorporating personal birth information as part of the key, significantly enhances the security of image encryption. This paper presents a novel approach for matrix projective combination synchronization (MPCS) of non-identical chaotic systems with model uncertainty, external disturbances, and time delay. The proposed active control technique guarantees synchronization, and its effectiveness is validated through numerical simulations using the Lorentz, T, and Lu systems.